Alright, I'm out here at the Redmond Circle number 2 crossing in, what's it called? Oh yeah, in Rome, Georgia. Hopefully, unfortunately I don't think I'll be able to record this crossing, and it's a shame I won't be able to, but we got a very classic Southern Railway install here. This first signal here, it is a Rayco cantilever. And you got the older and newer emergency information, and right here is an old Southern Railway dot tag. As you can see, dot number 719192K, which you can confirm right over here. Then we got the mast lights, which are all Rayco 8-inch lights. As you can see right up there. And then right there you got the Rayco 8-inch right there. Then you got the overhead lights, which are even more Rayco 8-inch lights. So I'm going to get a back shot of the signal while I wait for these two cars to pass. So there's a back shot of that signal. So right over here we got the other side of the crossing. This is an overview looking north. This cantilever is pretty similar to the first, except it has a bell. Right down here we got the Rayco cantilever base. You got the emergency information and another old Southern Railway dot tag. No, mosquito, you ain't allowed to be on my hand. So yeah, right up there you got, and then of course right here you got the mast lights, which are even more Rayco 8-inch lights. As you can see right back there. A nice, I'm guessing this would be 1960s Southern Railway install. And then right up there you got yourself even more Rayco 8-inch lights. And the lone bell here is a WRRS mechanical bell, of all things. Well, I mean, I've seen two others so far on this line today, so I guess it's not of all things, but still, it's got the original WRRS mechanical bell still. And I'm just gonna get a back shot of that bell where you can hopefully make out that it's branded WRS. It is backlit, and I apologize. But yeah, right up there should be the WRS brand. It should be the WRS branding on the back of it. Then right here you got the relay case, which is much newer than the rest of the crossing. And it was actually reused from elsewhere to replace the relay case that was here, it appears, because coming over here, we got some emergency information on it. And as you can see right there, it says the dot number 719824R and located at Brownsville Road. Same with that. But as you know, this is 719192K, I think it is. Yeah, 192K. And it's still, so for whatever reason, so they reused this from a crossing called Brownsville Road. Don't know where that is. Someone wants to look up the dot number and tell me in the comments, feel free to. I might do it myself, and if I do, like I said, it'll be mentioned in the description. And I would absolutely love to film this absolute classic of a crossing, but you know I'm not gonna be able to. So that way is looking northwest towards the power plant, where I'll eventually go out surf and loop back down into a yard right north of the power plant. And then right there is looking southeast into further into Rome, Georgia. So yeah, just gonna get one final overview here. And like I said, I would absolutely love to be able to record this crossing. Unfortunately, I don't think I will be able to. But if I do, you'll see the video. But if not, I mean, don't expect a video, because I doubt I'll be able to record this. So yeah, just tour of the Redmond Circle Railroad crossing number 2 in Rome, Georgia. Over and out.